look crazy. I'm gonna look crazy in this vlog because this vlog is not really focused on how I look, but it's focused on what I'm doing. We finna go to Walmart to get some painting supplies. I need to hang the rest of my paintings up. 1 and 2, I want to make some paintings to post, to sell, and just kick off my little painting business. So we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna get some things I need. Hey guys, so I am back from Walmart and your girl got all her stuff that she needed to rack up on. So I'm just gonna give y'all a mini haul, even though you probably see me put it in my cart. 4 painting boards, 11 by 14. This is usually the size I paint on. As you can see, I have a bunch of paint back there, and I just racked up on some colors I probably don't have, or colors that I need to restock on. So I got 2 big bottles of white and black, only because white and black is like the most important colors. I got Admiro blue, melted chocolate, Christmas green, Tangelo, Sunkissed peach. I also got some brushes because a lot of my skinny brushes are just wearing out. What are these? I got some command strips because I do need to hang up like 3 paintings I've done for my room. So I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna hang those up first. We're gonna sketch and try to start some of the painting of 2 things tonight. I have classes tomorrow, but I don't start till 11:30, so your girl has time to sleep. So we're gonna work on this tonight. And let me show y'all my painting page right now. Your booty's going.
About.
When'd you get those? Why not? We just need to fill that little space up and we're good. Okay guys, so I had to do some schoolwork, but that's out of the way. Now we finna paint. I got all my painting stuff. I'm gonna sketch 4 things out today. It depends on how quick the sketches go, how much time I have. I found some inspo. I'm choosing between these ones. We're just gonna go with the flow, see which ones I like, and we're just gonna paint. It's like 2 hours later, and boy, when I tell y'all I'm tired, there's no way I'm gonna be able to paint these today because the sketch itself is taking a lot. I finished 3. I have to finish 1 more, but like even at that, like I'm sitting here thinking if I really want to finish it. But let me show y'all what I got so far. 1, 2, and 3. Whole thing is filled with erasing. My eraser is about to end. I definitely need to get a big eraser and stop using pencil erasers because they always run out whenever I do sketches. I just got a package. Actually, it's been here for a while. I just haven't been home for like the past 4 days. But I'm home and I got my package for my painting stuff. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, and we're gonna try it out too, because I just want to make sure that the packaging bags I got fits the canvases I have right now. So these are one of the paintings I painted. And then, okay, here we go. Here's the box of stuff I got. Here are the packaging bags. These seem pretty big, so I think they're gonna fit. Some shipping labels from Avery. I got some thank you stickers. Yeah, it fits. Like that. It's cute. It fits. I'm excited. This gives me more of a motivation to ship out orders because I have bags for them. Hey guys, so it is literally weeks later. Like, I think it's been 2-3 weeks since I last recorded for this little video. My camera been broken, that's one. My camera been broken ever since I got back to school, so I haven't been able to film the whole process of this, which I'm really upset. But I'm here to fill y'all in because we're still moving. There's still so many things happening. Yesterday, your girl had her first pop-up shop. It wasn't like a pop-up shop, but it was more so like I promoted my business on campus. I had my own table, and I had a bunch of artwork I had been working on for the past week or two that I was selling and offering to people to buy, and also just letting people know about my brand and just following my account. Made me very excited and just pushed me to want to keep going. So today your girl just updated her website to showcase custom orders. So this is my site. These are the 3 paintings I have posted right now, but this is my site right now. And then your girl just added info, so there's multiple things people can find information about. So the first one is obviously custom artwork, and I just put everything that people needs to know when trying to request a custom piece. Then I have the canvas sizes, which shows like the different canvas sizes, so when people choose their custom artwork, they know what size they're getting. Right now I'm only offering 8x10, 11x14, and 16x20. I'm not doing those big ones yet, but I have pickup inquiries. I had this on my Instagram page, but I took it off my Instagram page because I just felt like my page was a little bit crowded and I wanted to just have everything in one area. So I added this to the website. So everything people needs to know is literally on my website, like, and I like that so much better than having it in my highlights on Instagram. It's just better that way because, again, it doesn't look crowded on my Instagram too. It's just more professional, and 3, it forces people to visit your website and see the other paintings that I've posted. I think it's a win-win situation, so that's what I just did. I also just got 2 custom orders that I'm gonna do this week before I go back home. I go back home this Friday and Saturday, so I want to get these done now because these people are from back home. but I just created on Good Notes, I created like a folder for my painting stuff to keep organized. I feel like having an iPad is just gonna be the best thing ever because I can stay organized. Everything is in one area. I created this notebook and it just has like, I made like a chart of like who I'm gonna be making an order for that current week, and just like the other stuff that I need to know, which is like if I have the supplies, how much are they paying, deposit, pickup, all that. Doing this right now is really fun. I know it's kind of gonna get like overwhelming eventually, but I feel like right now this is really fun. Like I'm actually excited. I've always wanted to be like my own business. Like I always wanted to have my own business. I always wanted to govern myself. So I think it's gonna be really exciting to do. I'm actually very excited. I can't wait to see how this goes. I get my camera on Monday, so I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be done with the paintings by then, so I could record that process. It could be like doing my first 2 custom orders. And yeah, I'm going to quit my job that I have at school only because I just feel like I don't really enjoy it. Wanting to, I could be making money from this. So come in here and update y'all. Next time y'all see me, I'm gonna have my camera and we finna be paying these custom orders. It's Monday, February 25th. I go back home this week, but y'all probably wondering what is the purpose of saying that. I have 2 custom orders I have to make before I get home because I know I'm not bringing my painting supplies and these people are from back home. So today I went and bought like a bunch of canvases. I bought a 7-pack from Walmart and I just bought 2-pack of 8x10, 7x14, and then the 2-pack is an 8x10. So I just started the sketches of the 2 customs. This is the first one. This one's gonna be Princess Tiana. I'm actually excited. And then this one, this person actually came up with the idea and they wanted like a DreamWorks, like a 2-piece DreamWorks painting, but they wanted the character to be black instead of like, I don't know, they probably assumed it was gonna be white. So I made it DreamWorks X Boondocks. So I'm really excited. Today I was only planning to sketch it, so tomorrow I'm gonna come back and we're gonna paint it, but like I'm gonna be painting it periodically over the week. I'm not gonna compact it in one day because I do have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Like I have time. I want to come in and say that because these are my first custom orders, deposit in and everything. So this is really like a start of the new journey. Like, and also one of my paintings I posted on my page was sold, so this is just really exciting. Like I'm actually finding a lot of joy in this, like doing it for other people, and I feel like I'm just getting better by the second. Oh, y'all probably gonna see me tomorrow when we're trying to paint this shit. Alright guys, so we finna paint the Princess Tiara one. The other one I'm gonna wait because that person don't know if they want to add anything to it. I want to show y'all like my painting stuff. Like look at all my painting supplies. This is where I put the paint on. I use the same plate. I don't see the reason for why I need to change it, because it dries and it's a new plate every single time. And I have a lot of paint. Like literally I want to go buy some more because they're low-key all running low, but like y'all, this is a lot. Like this is a lot. Like I've definitely grew my collection of paint and I want more, but I'm gonna wait till I go back home to do that because I don't want to have to worry about bringing it all back. And then I have all my brushes. They're clean. Well, they should be clean. They're clean. So we're just gonna do the skin for Tiara because I don't have time to do other stuff right now. I'm a little bit tired and lazy, so we're gonna do her skin and maybe we may do her hair too. We'll see. Okay, we'll do the skin and we'll do the background. The background is gonna be black, so we'll do those two. Personally, I feel like one of the hardest parts of doing paintings, especially black characters, is getting their skin color correctly because there's so many different browns. Like I literally bought, like, because I couldn't get like the colors I wanted, I was too busy mixing. And the problem with mixing colors is that you mix it and you have the color you want, but then when you run out you have to do the same exact thing, and there's no way you're gonna do the same exact thing unless you make enough. So I had bought in like literally a bunch of browns. It's such a hassle trying. These are all different browns. Like I kid you not, these are all different browns. You can't tell on the camera. Like all different browns. It's just hard trying to find like the right color, but I think like the browns I have, like these are the good ones, and they've been effective like in the last paintings I did, so I think I'm good. I think the brown I'm gonna use today is the nutmeg brown. Like, she don't look that dark. We're just gonna play with the browns and see which one. Too dark or too light? Test. Let's see. No, that's too light. Yeah, we're gonna use this brown because this brown is definitely way too light. Because one thing about me is I don't waste paint. I don't care how cheap it is. I'm not wasting my paint. I didn't tell y'all also, I got a bunch of new markers, Posca. This is the markers I used to outline my stuff. Definitely, this was the best investment ever. I had to get them a little bit smaller because I have like one big thick Posca marker that I had been using, but like I wanted to get into like skinnier lines, so like I got like a skinnier one, and it comes with like black, white, green, pink, yellow, like so many colors. This is just really exciting. Like, I love getting like a bunch of new stuff. Hey guys, this is about to be the end of this vlog. I just wanted to come in and show y'all all the final product. Well, the final product of the 2 paintings I made. I'm at home. Yeah, I'm at home right now, and I'm about to like give these away like to the people who ordered them. So I just want to show y'all before I do, because I realized I didn't. Here's the princess. Ignore the background, y'all. This is Tiana one. This one is really cute. Like, I really love it. It came out so good. Y'all, I just realized these bags, they have like the stick. It comes with like if I pull this off, it's sticky. Like, how did I never know that? Show y'all. This is so cool. This is so cute. Okay, let me show y'all the other one. This one, y'all, I'm sorry for the lighting right now. I'm rushing, but this one, I put a black sticker on it. This one, I'm not really too fond of, but here it is. I don't really like it much because of the bottom part. It's clouds, so I'm definitely gonna give that person a discount because it's not the best. I think it's not the pieces. I definitely have many more business vlogs coming in the future, but this was just the beginning. I hope y'all stay tuned for future vlogs. And if you're not already following my painting page, definitely follow my painting page. It's paintings x her. Follow, support, share. A lot of things coming in the near future. Y'all for watching this video, and I'll see y'all in my next one.